Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Shahidul Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel Trustful English. Friends, do you want to learn English newspaper reading? Do you want to learn reading English newspaper from home and abroad? And it is a long cherished dream? Then this video is for you. Okay? We are going to the main topics. Now I will share my personal experience how I have learned reading English newspaper. It was in my school life when I was the student of class 9. Then I saw my uncle to read English newspaper. Then I have encouraged and decided that I also inshallah will learn to read English newspaper for improving my English speaking, listening, reading, writing, etc. However, then I bought Daily Star, though I did not understand a single word, but after looking at a glance to the papers, naturally I have been encouraged and I decided that I have to learn read at any cost. Then from now it was already has been 20 years past. I am continuing reading. I have been reading continue the English paper, the English newspaper such as Daily Star, Dawn, The Telegram, US English newspaper, Indian Times, the Wall Street Journal, etc. Actually, I try to read every day just to gather the knowledge, current and past knowledge around the globe, what is happening. And inshallah, I have been benefited from here. Here are many causes to be benefited because the newspapers are made to the everyday incidents, and there are many incidents are being written from the society. And there is a difference between the book and newspaper, because newspaper, we know the newspaper are made from many depend on the many practical incidents. And if anybody wants to improve his English speaking, he must need to read English newspaper every day. Because when I try to start to read a newspaper, I must be face some difficulties and I will not understand first. But I have to carry on my reading, and I can assure and believe me that after reading day by day every day, your reading inshallah will be improved. And when I read, I start reading the easy topics, because when you read the complex topics you will not understand. Start your reading from easy topics, you will understand, and when you face some new vocabularies, you don't need to memorize it. After reading more and more, it will already connected to your memory. Such I'm giving an example. When you go a new way, the new way will not understand, and you may face some problems. After going the new way, 1 day, 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, that long way will be easy to you. At the same way, when you try to start your reading and you face some many new vocabularies, you don't need to memorize. That means you don't feel any tension, any hesitation to memorize it. You read, just try to understand the topics and try to go through the depth on the topics. And I can assure that if you continue to read it, your speaking will be improved. And I also add a suggestion that when you read any book or newspaper, then you try to read it loudly so that you can hear it. And when you try to read it loudly, your muscles will be exercised because it's a foreign language. It is a common matter to not to say to the foreigners accent. You also don't need to pronunciation like the foreigners, because their pronunciation and our pronunciation is completely there may some differences, but you don't need to uh, feel any hesitation. Start your reading and practice loudly and carry on. And inshallah, if you carry on your practicing 6 months or 1 year, you will already understand that you are being benefited and your reading is being improved, and your accent and pronunciation is also be improved. Okay, so I'm requesting all of you to read not only our not only the newspaper of Bangladesh, but also Indian, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, etc. But you have to start through easy topics. Don't need to read complex topics, because when you start reading complex topics, your interest will be less. That means you will be suffer from hesitation, that I'm not understanding, I don't need to read it. No, you don't do it. You try to read it from easy topics and read it again and again. When you first read, you don't need to understand. Try to read it again. Don't understand? Read again. After reading on topics to one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you will already understand. Okay, so uh, you have to carry on your practice to read English newspaper, and it is very useful for the learners, because it is also benefited for the teachers and the trainers. However, though I am talking to you, I am also making thousands of mistakes, and I believe that I am talking to you in English because I need to improve my English speaking. My voice is also not well. I have some problem of my voice, and I am taking medicine to uh, be well my voice, and I'm requesting and all of you to pray for me so that I can make a new video every day on new topics, and see you soon. Again, inshallah, I'm requesting all of you also to subscribe my channel and like, share, and make valuable comments. See you soon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.